Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will see the installation of STM32CubeIDE step by step, and it's beginner friendly. So first of all, we will understand what is meant by IDE. IDE is nothing but the integrated development environment, and why we need this IDE, the platform to write the code, the compile that code and debug that code. After the debugging, we have to upload this code, so everything is we need to in one place, so that's why we need to IDE. So there is a four main component or a four main type is inside in the IDE. First is a code editor. Code editor is you have to write your program in the code editor. Second one is a compiler, that the whatever your code write, that is converted into the machine code or machine language. Third one is a debugger, that find the error or find the mistake that you have do in your code and test your code. So this is the debugger. And next is the programmer, that you have to upload your code to the STM32 board. That means you have to flash your code into the your microcontroller. So this is the four main component in the inside in the IDE. So now we will move forward how to install STM32 step by step. You have to open your browser and type the STM32CubeIDE download. This is the official website of STM microcontroller. You have to click here, and the one new page is open. Scroll down. Here is STM32CubeIDE. You have to select here your OS which you want, Linux, Mac, etc. You can select here, and the version is the latest version 2.1.1. It is the latest version. Then you have to click here to download. Accept the license agreement. Click on the accept. If you have already a account in your SD microcontroller, then you can then you have to log in and download. If you're not, then you have to create here. Then you have to fill up your profile name, last name, email address, email confirmation, functions. It's you can choose engineering or education training, etc. Depend on you. And you have to type here company and university also. Next is the industry. You can choose here whatever you want. Then country and zip code. You have to accept this condition and they register. After the register, you will be if you get the link for activation account in your email address. After the download the zip file, you have to extract your zip file. You have to choose your path. Click on the extract, then click on the show folder. Now you have to install this STM32 CubeIDE. Click on the install. Click on the next button. Then I agree. Then it asks for the destination folder. If you want to change, you can change it from the click here browser. You can change it. Click on the next, and you have to install it. So STM microelectronics, it will take time. Let's take time for the installations. Okay, after installation complete, click on the next button, and if you want to create a desktop shortcut, click on the checkbox, then you have to click finish. Okay, so this is installation of the STM32CubeIDE. Now one another thing we have to install is the STM32CubeMXIDE. It is for installing, because we have in the STM32 there is a IOC file extension that we can be configure the pins, GPIO pins, different peripherals, timers, clock, etc. And so we need to be we have to install STM32CubeMX official website of ST Microelectronics. Then you have to select here OS and latest version and click on the download. Same process as here. Same, you have to license agreement, accept, and create an account. And you have to download. Same as STM CubeIDE. Okay, So I'll let it onto the zip file. I will open that zip file and extract. After the download the zip file, you have to extract. Click on the extract all, click on a show in folder, and you have to install this file also. Okay, that's easy. Easily we install the STM32CubeIDE from my side. If you found this video is very helpful, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.